In this video, I'll teach you how to design your Wix product page. I'm going to go over 3 different ways you can design it, such as the background, the product page itself, as well as adding new sections to the product page. Now to start with, if you wanted to change the background of this page, go ahead and hover over it until you have this quick edit option up here. If you don't have the quick edit option, it's because you selected something here, so go ahead and click up here, and then go over it and click on quick edit. Now from here you can see you have this section background option over here, so go ahead and click change, and now you can choose an image, upload an image or a video, or add a different color if you'd like. Now to add different sections to this page, you can go ahead and click on add elements up here, and now you can go down to strip and you can add something like strips. You can also go ahead and click on sections over here on the left hand side where you can add different sections. So let's say you have something like a promotion, go ahead and click here. And then you can go ahead and select one that you like and click and drag it over to your page. And then if you have a really good sale, you could, for example, add that promotion up here. Now to design the product page itself, you need to go ahead and click on it twice until you have it like this. So it says product page up here. You can also see we have like a thin purple border around here. That means you marked the product page. From here, go ahead and click on settings. And now we have this pop-up box where you can start designing it. Go ahead and click customize page here, and now you have loads of different settings you can go through, as you can see here. I'm not going to go over every single setting, but as you can see, we have something like a more simplistic design you can choose from. And if you wanted something like this, but you didn't want the text like this, and you wanted it to be like a drop-down menu, you can customize this further along in the process. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead with the classic option here, and then if you want to change anything else, go ahead and click on settings over here. Here you can show what kind of information you have on your product page. So if you don't want the number here for the model of the product, you can go ahead and untick it like this, and then it's going to disappear. You can also go ahead and customize the add to cart button, or if you don't want it, you could untoggle it right here, for example, and then you don't have an add to cart button, only a buy now button. You can also choose what's happening when the add to cart button is clicked on. In this case, it's going to open the side cards. So that's going to open up around a third of the page over here, where you can see all the items you have in the cart. And as you can see, you have many more settings when you scroll down here. So just customize it to your liking. If you want to customize the text, for example, the text of the buttons, go ahead and click here. And then you have the button text of the add to cart button up here. So if you wanted to say something else than add to cart, then go ahead and change it here by clicking and writing it. You can also see we have the header for the buy now button. So if you wanted to say something else than buy now, go ahead and change that as well. And as you can see, as we scroll down, we have a few more settings that you can't see unless the product is out of stock, as an example. So you can also go ahead and customize these to your liking if you'd like to. You can also customize the buttons. So if you wanted to customize this little button that is a wishlist button, you can go ahead and click on wishlist over here. Now you can see you have some different button styles up here. So you could, for example, choose something like this, and then it's going to change, as you can see here, or something like that. Just choose what you'd like for your website, and then you can also customize the borders of it down here. As you can see, it doesn't match the add to cart button anymore, so to customize the border of this button, you could also go down here, and then on the border width and color, go ahead and change the pixel. In this case, I know the pixel is 3, it's like this, and now you can see it matches. So that's one way to customize a lot of the small items on the product page in Wix. Lastly, if you don't want a wish list at all to appear on your Wix site, you can also go ahead and remove it down here. That prevents your customers from adding items to a wish list. Lastly, you can also go ahead and click on the sign over here, where you have a lot of extra customization options. So as you can see, you can choose something like the backgrounds and borders, product details, buttons, info sections, subscriptions, and social media bar. If you wanted to change something like the product information down here, you can go ahead and click on info sections over here. Here you can see you have the tabs option. You can also have it as stacked, or you can have it as columns. For example, if I chose stacked right here, you can see how it looks here. That's one way to customize all of the information on your product page as well. This was kind of a quick video on how you can customize your product page in Wix. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to help you out.